Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my PowerPoint presentation for International Business for Management 618 2023 under Dr. Priyanka Babe. My name is Gemma Hidalgo, a registered nurse with an MBA degree and a Bachelor's of Science in Commerce. Today is December 17, 2023. Strategies are the models of guiding companies from the existing position to where its owners would like it to be. Strategies are varying based on the business model. Business growth strategies, human resource development strategies, marketing tactics, and international goal setting are the major focus areas in a business. Based on a business model, there are domestic and international strategies that are implemented. International strategies are set up considering large scale and wider range to uncontrollable market variables. Domestic focus is narrow compared to the international focus. In terms of growth, strategies are focused differently in domestic and international markets. Strategy is important overall because it is the way to effectively use the resources the company has in order to increase profits and use the least amount of resource possible. Domestic market strategies are primarily focused on increasing existing market share or creating new market opportunities in domestic markets. Small-scale domestic companies can expand their existing business only within the geographical area. Then they must focus on new business concepts and implementing those on the existing market segments what they serve already. An international strategy is an approach with low levels of global integration and local reactivity. In terms of organizing the business units, it means that the company centralizes all information, authority, and decision-making for international markets at the headquarters. A dedicated department manages all these international operations. An international strategy is important because it will establish the product or service as a competitive product among other products of the international country and could garner major profits for the company releasing the product or service. It can only establish the company as an international competitor, and it may be a first step to setting up bases in other countries in order to support potential international operation, which will give growth to the company and increase profits on the bottom line. However, certain legal issues also need to be looked at and analyzed in order to make sure that everything is done legally and all the proper paperwork is done in order to ensure that in the end, the product or its marketing is not breaking any laws. A market study needs to be also done to make sure that the product doesn't offend the people in the market. What are the differences between domestic strategy and international strategy? Domestic strategy planning only includes the product and strategy that has to do with the product and target markets. International strategy planning includes different cultures, so for each culture, the product may be modified. International strategy is important because it will establish the product or service as a competitive product among other products of the international country and could garner major profits for the company releasing the product or service. Domestic market strategies are primarily focused on increasing existing market share or creating new market opportunities in domestic market. In international strategy, it established the company as an international competitor, and it may be a first step to setting up bases in other countries to support potential international operation, which will give the growth to the company and increase profits on the bottom line. Small-scale domestic companies can expand their existing business only within geographical area in domestic strategy. Then they must focus on new business concepts and implement those on the existing market segments that they serve already. On the other hand, international companies' growth strategies are focused on penetrating new markets in previously untapped countries and regions across the world. I have chosen Walmart as my chosen company. It utilizes multi-domestic strategy and international strategy. Multi-domestic strategy, Walmart relies heavily on localizing products and messaging to deliver what customers are looking for in each particular region. Also, under multi-domestic strategy, they appeal to consumers in each market by creating brands, products, and messages that are specifically tailored for local languages, cultures, needs, and preferences. Walmart also uses international strategy. Walmart International delivers on this promise by bringing value and convenience to millions of customers in 19 countries outside the US. How difficult or easy do you think it is for the manager to gauge the cost, benefits, and risks of a particular foreign market? Before you try to identify your target market, there are numbers of suitable markets where your product could work. Then we have to think how we can serve each one. No strategy is universally correct. It all depends on the type of business you are in and its marketing environment. Based on your strategy, on the resources available, and the life cycle phase your product has reached, a wide variety of factors needs to be considered by managers in entering a particular foreign market. Number one is market concentration. Focus on a few select markets. This strategy will help you consolidate your company's presence in this market with the aim of securing constant sales growth. Advantages of market concentration is gaining in-depth knowledge of each market can design or adapt your products to match. Costs are reduced across logistics, management, and operations management. Dedicate more resources to market promotion and gain increased risk control of international activities. Second is market diversification. Here, introduce your product to many markets as possible, perhaps with small shares in the majority of the market. Some advantages of market diversification is possibility for rapid sales growth and risk diversification. Also, you can sell at different prices and take advantage of the fluctuation in exchange rate. The third factor is environment and market analysis. At this stage, you put together a short list of countries that present a good concentration or potential concentration of your target market. Analyze the variables for each country like GDP growth, country risk, political factors, and other factors like geographic proximity and similarity to your source market in terms of business and social culture. Finally is distribution analysis. Your choice of distribution channel will determine how your company expands in the market. In distribution analysis, Analyze the current and potential demand of your product and its source market. Entities with information for market selection analysis. The following entities will give you information that you need for your market selection analysis. These are the World Fact Book. It's published annually by the American Intelligence Agency, and it provides information on every country in the world in its country listing section, including geography, population, economy, communication, and transportation. Second is Population Division, published by the United Nations. This gives comprehensive information on studies, publications, population statistics, development, and economic programs by region. The next one is Transparency International, analyzes the corruption index for 85 countries. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. It provides data for all types of comparative macroeconomic analysis on a worldwide scale. Next is World Tourism Organization, the United Nations agency responsible for the promotion of responsible, sustainable, and universally accessible tourism. World Travel and Tourism Council, global organization that brings together stakeholders in the travel and tourism sector. And finally, European Travel Commission is the organization responsible for promoting Europe as a tourism destination in markets outside the European Union. Walmart surpassing COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 is an example of a time when managers gauge areas of cost, benefits, and risk effectively. Factors why Walmart was able to surpass the barriers and challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic. Number one is e-commerce, creating a seamless shopping experience. Walmart continued to pursue ways to bring technology into retail to offer customers a seamless shopping experience. Customers can find a ton of items in Walmart store, but as customers increasingly shop across the digital and physical storefronts, Walmart made it easier for them to find what they need right at their fingertips. Second factor is keeping their customer connected. Walmart offers a variety of features to serve the needs of connected customers. It's part of their promise of creating convenience at the lowest price, no matter how they shop. Here are some few ways where customers save time and money. Using Walmart app, mobile scan and go, where they can shop and check out with their phone in store, curbside pickup, order online and pick up in store, next day delivery. In many markets, customers can enjoy fast free shipping on eligible orders over $35. Walmart also offers a membership program that brings together in-store and online benefits. Walmart Go Local, where Walmart's delivery as a service business that provides delivery to customers from business of all sizes. And lastly, Built for Better is an online shopping destination that makes it easy for customers to identify and shop for products that are built better for them and for the planet. Walmart also has an efficient supply chain. Distribution center. Walmart has 210 centers for their business. This distribution operation is one of the largest in the world, servicing stores clubs, and direct delivery to customers. And Walmart's transportation has a fleet of 9,000 tractors, 80,000 trailers, and more than 11,000 drivers. Fulfillment network. For their customers, it's as easy as a tap on their screen. But what goes on beyond the scene? The short answer is a ton of people power, highly efficient fulfillment campuses dedicated to e-commerce, a world-class transportation fleet, and a touch of magic. With cutting-edge systems and unrivaled scale, Walmart were able to serve customers quickly and offer more choices for how they'd like to receive their orders, either shipped to their homes or pick up at their local stores for free. And joint venture advantages and disadvantages. A joint venture is a common way of combining the resources and expertise of two otherwise unrelated companies. There are many benefits to this type of partnership, but it's not without risks. Arrangement of this sort can be highly complex. Advantages of joint ventures includes it can help your business grow faster, increase productivity, and generate greater profits. Access to new markets and distribution networks. Sharing of risk and costs with a partner. Access to new knowledge and expertise, including specialized staff. Access to greater resources like technology and finance. Some of the disadvantages of joint venture include the objectives of the venture are unclear. The communication between partners is not great. The level of expertise and investment isn't equally matched. The work and resources aren't distributed equally. And the different cultures and management styles pose barriers to cooperation. What is the difference between joint venture and strategic alliance? In joint ventures, new legal entities created, part owned by the companies entering the joint venture. The joint venture may ultimately lead to an M&A transaction if one of the organizations deem it to a success. Less complex MOUs, where the general terms are outlined and dividends are shared according to stock count. And participants can be from completely different industries. Under strategic alliances, no new legal entity is created. Strategic alliances rarely lead to M&A transactions. Strategic alliances involve creating MOUs where each company outlines in detail what knowledge sharing they're looking for as part of the strategic. And finally, strategic alliances participants tend to be either from the same or complementary industry. On October 11, 2018, Walmart announced a strategic entertainment joint venture with Echo, a developer of interactive video technology. The joint venture includes plans to develop original, interactive content that will enable Walmart to connect with customers in new and more meaningful ways, with the goal of driving deeper and more frequent engagement. The joint venture expands Walmart's entertainment ecosystem. Echo Corporation Company Limited designs and develops communication software. The company offers an internal communication and operation platform for hospitality, retail, construction, and healthcare sectors. Echo Corporation serves customers worldwide. The partnership with Echo will help Walmart accelerate efforts to deepen relationships with customers and connect with new audiences in innovative ways and is one part of an overall entertainment ecosystem that Walmart is building. With partnering with Echo across the industry to create original, interactive content, Walmart bringing the next generation of entertainment to customers and delivering memorable experience that they can only find at Walmart. Walmart made culture as the foundation of everything that they do. They define culture as their values in action. It's how Walmart delivers superior customer service, creates a great frontline work environment, and improves performance to achieve their common purpose of saving people money so they can live better. Save money, live better is a direct embodiment of our decision making at Walmart. The Walmart business model is based on providing low prices for products and services while employing strategies such as economies of sales, everyday low prices, price leadership, international expansion, and e-commerce. Walmart's decision to utilize the power of technology to streamline their supply chain process and give customers the lowest prices possible on products and services. And behind it was the idea that collaboration was the key to success. Walmart's core strategy is low price leadership, which involves offering goods and services at lower prices than its competitors. This has enabled Walmart to become the world's greatest retailer by selling many products at everyday low prices, giving them competitive advantage over its competitors. The importance of a joint venturing business is that it can help your business grow faster, increase productivity, and generate greater profits. Joint ventures often enable growth without having to borrow funds or look for outside investors. In joint venture, both companies can use each partner's customer database to market products, offer each partner services and products to their existing customers, and both can join forces in purchasing, research, and development. Another importance of a joint venture is its flexibility. Understanding the factors engaging costs, benefits, and challenges of a particular foreign market is important. Analysis of the current and potential demand of the product in its source market, as well as its profile and expected evolution should be a priority. This information should confirm that pre-selection process was successful and that chosen markets are suitable for the product. With demand analysis, any business will learn how to best design subsequent marketing strategy based on price, presentation, and promotion, distribution, and so on and so forth. It is recommended that initial analysis is backed up by further research in the market itself or through intermediaries to be able to tell whether the initial analysis was correct. Finally, it is crucial to have a competitive advantage over competitors like what Walmart has accomplished. It has gained competitive advantage in the marketplace by using core strategy, low price leadership, giving them the reputation of world largest retailer. This is page 1 of the references that were utilized in putting this PowerPoint together. This is the second page of the references that were used for this presentation. This concludes the presentation for International Business under Dr. Priyanka Baid. Thank you for your time and enjoy your night.